Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and shout out to the Hasbro team for sending these my way. Today we're going to be taking a look at this really cool nostalgic collaboration with Hasbro and Nike. These are the Nike KD4 Nerfs in this beautiful Concord and electric green color scheme. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, be sure to hit that join down below if you aren't already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and reviews. Today we're going to be talking about a really cool and different collaboration. This is done with the Nike team as well as Hasbro on the Nike KD4 Nerfs. So we'll go through and go back down memory lane to talk about these. Then we'll jump into size and fit, followed by a little bit of imagery on how the movement of these sneakers work. Then we'll conclude with how much you can find these on the retail market for. Let's jump right into it. For those of you who are from the 90s generation, you will know very well that Nerf is a huge part of that era. Definitely before there were tablets, before there were phones, most kids were outside playing with their Nerf guns, or like myself, I did have one of these sets. So basically I got in trouble for this actually. We used to have this really crazy teal shaggy apartment in our home that I grew up in, and me and my cousin decided to use duct tape to create an actual basketball indoor court, not realizing that the duct tape would never come off of the shaggy carpet. So that carpet is actually still in my grandma's home to this day, but it was perfect for our Nerf basketball hoop indoors. And it is the perfect combination and look and feel to this sneaker, which makes perfect sense. You see the color scheme of this packaging. It is so reminiscent of the 90s era, the same exact colors and tones that they used back in the day on a majority of their products. And as far as the nostalgia goes, we're going to take it back to 2011 when this was the exact collaboration that released for the first time. And now we're seeing it back in the same kind of color variation. It is nice and vibrant in tone, which is very Hasbro. So we've got this really cool pop of Concord on the upper. It is a bit pearlescent too, which is nice when it hits that light. And then we've got some lime green. I feel like lime green is an essential color to the Nerf brand as well. And then as we work our way up, we've got just a nice Concord meshing for some nice breathability in the sneaker, since it is a basketball court shoe. And we've got this extra additional strap, which I do love. This is going to provide you with that extra stability and keep your foot really just stable inside of the sneaker itself. And then as far as the laces go, I love a good strap over it to just keep my laces tied. You can see it's got KD35 on the inside and that really just cool spray paint look in the Concord color scheme. And then underneath you do have this nice metallic platinum colorway. And we've got that big bold swoosh sign in that beautiful bright pop of reddish orange. Let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. Right, so wrapping around to the side panels, more pops of the Concord, this nice dark charcoal gray, which hits all the way to the back of the heel. And then we've got the KD logo and branding of the Nike swoosh again, and those same tones that we saw on the lateral side of that strap. And then the interior has Nerf inside and a very iconic branding and color scheme of light orange and a more kind of deep, darker orange on top of a Concord color for the insole. Then when we work our way down to the midsole, we're getting some really cool purple splatter marks on top of black. And then we've got, again, more of this really cool retroed out spray paint look and feel with some lime green touches. And again, pops of this bright reddish orange tone. This does have Nike Zoom technology in it, so you are going to get that quick reaction feel, which is great, especially if you're going up and moving up and down the court. So love a good Nike Air Zoom unit when it comes to a basketball shoe. As far as outsole goes, we've got some nice grip on the bottom here. So it's really cool, this textured outsole. And then we've got the same kind of triple color combination that we see throughout other parts of the sneaker itself, but some great grip on here. As far as the box goes, you are getting a box that matches the sneaker perfectly as well. How fun is this? It's got the same exact spray paint look with the KD35 on the outside and the same exact colorways with that really cool spray paint look and feel to complete the sneaker. And when we look inside of the box, we've actually got KD on the inside here on this really cool spray painted art piece. So really cool that they decided to have this artwork on the interior, really making the whole entire packaging of this such a great release. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so as far as sizing goes, I went up half a size and I feel like these fit me perfect. I do feel like these run on a bit more of a narrow size range, and I do have narrow, higher feet. So if you do have flatter, wider feet, I would definitely size up in these. These fit me perfect going half a size up, and I feel like I can wear a little bit of a thicker sock as well so that it feels a bit more comfortable. So now let's talk about how much these are going for on the retail market. So these are retailed at $150. If you are a huge Nerf fan like myself, this is probably a sneaker that will take you down memory road, and you'll want to go back and revisit your 90s era of playing with Nerf guns or Nerf products like this basketball hoop. Hope that you're able to check these out if you have not already, but I'm super excited to add this pop of color and this sneaker to my collection. All right, again, shout out to the Hasbro team for sending these my way. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below. And again, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, be sure to do that right now. And this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next one.